Ram 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 Sarvebhyaha. Swagatam. Welcome to session 17 of Learning to Chant Narayaniyam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala janaka shankaro devaha tam vande kunjarananam पीताम्बरं करविराजित शंख चक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधा सहायमति सुन्दर मन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will start with the revision of halfway through Dashakam 7 from shloka number 6. Spooky start the revision, yes.
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयल्लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्य विभवं तत्ते पदं देहि मे तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदि प्राकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितमार्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणङ्कारणं विश्वेशान्तव रूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रं दिशाम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितस्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् राजकम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् स्नष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् दृष्ट्वा संहृतसम्भ्रमः कमलभूस्त्वत्पादपाथोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं वदो निपतितः प्रीत्या कृतार्थी भवन् जानास्येव मनीषितं मम विभो ज्ञानं तदापादय द्वैताद्वैतभवत्स्वरूप परमित्याचष्टतं त्वां भजे आताम्रे चरणे विनम्रमथतं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिर्बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रदोष्य नितरान्तच्चित्तगूढः स्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयः स भगवन्नुल्लासयोल्लाखताम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये ब्रह्मणः जन्म तपः तथा वैकुण्ठदर्शनं चेति सप्तमं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
अण्णा म्यूट मध्ये वस्तुन्ति. एवं तावत् प्राकृत प्रक्षयान्ते ब्राह्मे कल्वे ह्यादिमे लब्धजन्म ब्रह्मा भूयस्त्वत्त एवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम् सोऽयं चतुर्युगसहस्रमितान्यहानि तावन्मिताश्च रजनीर्बहुशो निनाय निद्रात्यसौ त्वयि निलीय समं स्वसृष्टैः नैमित्तिकप्रलयमाहुरतोऽस्य रात्रिम् अस्मादृशां पुनरहर्मुखकृत्य तुल्यां सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं स भवत्प्रसादात् प्राग्ब्राह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्ति तदापि सृष्टिः पञ्चाशदब्दमधुना स्ववयोर्धरूपम् एकं परार्धमतिवृत्य हि वर्ततेऽसौ तत्रान्त्यरात्रिजनितान् कथयामि भूमन् पश्चाद्दिनावतरणे च भवद्विलासान् दिनावसानेऽथ सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलिल्ये जगन्ति च त्वच्चटरं समीयुः तदेदमेकार्णवमास विश्वम् म्यूट म्यूट
So now we will move on to the new shlokas. Raghuvannan will repeat after me. As you saw in this dashakam, we have multiple chandas. So I put the chandas wherever. If I put the chandas there, from there those shlokas are in that particular chandas. Do not worry much about chandas. Last time few people had questions. That's just for extra information. It does not really matter what the meter of the chandas of the shloka is. It is just additional nice extra information. If at all you want to learn more about chandas, there is another course on Vyoma in the Vyakarana section based on chandas and alankara in Sanskrita. So you can refer that if you want more information. Here we are just giving the name of the chandas. So we will continue shloka number 6. Tavaiva veshe
तवैव वेषे तवैव वेषे
फणिराजि शेषे
फणिराजिशेषे फणिराजिशेषे
जलैकशेषे
जलैकशेषे जलैकशेषे
भुवने स्म शेषे
भुवने स्म शेषे भुवने स्म शेषे
आनंद
आनंद आनंद
सांद्रानुभव
सांद्रानुभव सांद्रानुभव
स्वरूपः
स्वरूपः स्वरूपः
स्वयोगनिद्रा
स्वयोगनिद्रा स्वयोगनिद्रा
परिमुद्रितात्मा
परिमुद्रितात्मा परिमुद्रितात्मा
तवैव वेषे
तवैव वेषे तवैव वेषे
फणिराजिशेषे
फणिराजिशेषे फणिराजिशेषे
जलैकशेषे
जलैकशेषे जलैकशेषे
भुवने स्म शेषे
भुवने स्म शेषे भुवने स्म शेषे
आनंद सांद्र
आनंद सांद्र आनंद सांद्र
अनुभव स्वरूपः
अनुभव स्वरूपः अनुभव स्वरूपः
स्वयोगनिद्रा
स्वयोगनिद्रा स्वयोगनिद्रा
परिमुद्रितात्मा
परिमुद्रितात्मा परिमुद्रितात्मा
तवैव वेषे फणिराजिशेषे
तवैव वेषे फणिराजिशेषे तवैव वेषे फणिराजिशेषे
जलैकशेषे भुवने स्म शेषे
जलैकशेषे भुवने स्म शेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने स्म शेषे
आनंद सांद्रानुभवस्वरूपः
आनंद सांद्रानुभवस्वरूपः आनंद सांद्रानुभवस्वरूपः
स्वयोग निद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा
स्वयोग निद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा स्वयोग निद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा तवैव वेशे फणिराजिशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवने स्म शेषे आनंद सांद्रानुभवस्वरूपः स्वयोग निद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा.
Very good. Shall we go to the next shloka? Ramya. कालाख्यशक्तिम्
कालाख्यशक्तिम्
प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेति
प्रबोधयेति
आदिशता किलादौ
आदिशता किलादौ
त्वया प्रसुप्तम्
त्वया प्रसुप्तम्
परिसुप्तशक्ति
परिसुप्तशक्ति
व्रजेन
व्रजेन
तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना
जीवधाम्ना
कालाख्यशक्तिम्
कालाख्यशक्तिम्
प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेति आदिशता किलादौ
किलादौ
त्वया प्रसुप्तम्
त्वया प्रसुप्तम्
परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन
परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन
तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना
तत्राखिलजीवधाम्ना
कालाख्यशक्तिम् प्रलयावसाने
कालाख्यशक्तिम् प्रलयावसाने
प्रबोधयेत्यादिशता किलादौ
प्रबोधयेत्यादिशता किलादौ
त्वया प्रसुप्तम् परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन
त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन
तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना
तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना
त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना
त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना कालाख्यशक्तिं प्रलयावसाने प्रबोधयेत्यादिशता किलादौ त्वया प्रसुप्तं परिसुप्तशक्तिव्रजेन तत्राखिल जीवधाम्ना.
Very good. Here, the third and fourth thing should be told together. I think till now, the places where we saw, there was a Sandhi which could be split, and therefore we could stop in a day, so that would be a Chando Bhanga. But here, there is a Samastapada. So you can't split, you can't stop at Shakti and then Vrajena, though they are two separate words, but it's one single compound word. So it is better you hold your breath and tell at least till Vrajena. After Vrajena, you can give a pause and then continue to Tatrakila Jivathamna. If you have any questions in between, you can type it out on the question board and you might get answers from our organizers. Instead of keeping till the end, if you have a question about that particular shloka, some small question, you can type it out. We'll go on to shloka number 8. Arjun, repeat after me. Chaturyuganam
चतुर्युगाणां
cha sahasramevam
च सहस्रमेवं
tvayi prasupte
त्वयि प्रसुप्ते
punaradvitiye
पुनरद्वितीये
कालाख्य शक्तिहि
कालाख्यशक्तिः
प्रथम प्रबुद्धा
प्राबोधयत्वाम्
किल विश्वनाथ चतुर्युगाणाञ्च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्य शक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा
प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ
चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं
चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं
त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये
त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये
कालाख्यशक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा
कालाख्यशक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा कालाख्यशक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा
प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ
प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ
You can tell the whole.
चतुर्युगाणां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसुप्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्यशक्तिः प्रथम प्रबुद्धा प्राबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ
Very well recited. We'll move on to shloka number 9. Spurti, repeat after me. So this shloka again, the meter changes to Upajati. It was in Upendra Vajra. We go to Upajati. Both are in letters. Vibudhya chatvam
विबुध्य च त्वं
Jalagarbhashayin
जलगर्भशायिन्
Vilokya lokan
विलोक्य लोकान्
Akhilan pralinan
अखिलान् प्रलीनान्
Teshveva
तेष्वेव
Sukshmatmataya
सूक्ष्मात्मदया
Nijantaha
निजान्तः
Hiteshu
स्थितेषु
Vishveshu Dadatha
विश्वेषु ददाथ
Drishtim
दृष्टिम्
Vibudhya chatvam
विबुध्य च त्वं
Jalagarbhashayin
जलगर्भशायिन्
Vilokya lokan
विलोक्य लोकान्
Akhilan pralinan
अखिलान् प्रलीनान्
Teshveva Sukshmatmataya
तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया
Nijantaha
निजान्तः
Hiteshu Vishveshu
स्थितेषु विश्वेषु
Dadatha Drishtim
ददाथ दृष्टिम्
Vibudhya chatvam Jalagarbhashayin
विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन्
Vilokya lokan Akhilan pralinan
विलोक्य लोकान् प्रलीनान्
Teshveva Sukshmatmataya
तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया
Nijantasthiteshu
निजान्तस्थितेषु निजान्तस्थितेषु
विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्
विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम् विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्
तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्
तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम् विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विलोक्य लोकानखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम्.
Here also it is the same case where Nijantasthiteshu is one compound, that is Samastapada. You can't stop at Nijanta, it is not a Sandhi. Antasthitaha is the Lord is inside him. So Nijantasthiteshu is one word. So that is why the hyphen. So wherever the hyphen is there, you have to continue, you know that. But I'm just making it clear. I split it for the sake of teaching and pronunciation, but you can give a pause after Sukshmatmataya, then tell Nijanta Sthiteshu together, and then Vishweshu Dadatha Drishti. We'll go on to Shloka number 10. Amogha. Repeat after me. Tatastvadiyat.
ततस्त्वदीयात् ततस्त्वदीयात्
Ayinabhirandrat.
अयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् अयिनाभिरन्ध्रात्
Udanchitam.
उदञ्चितम् उदञ्चितम्
Kinchana Divya Padmam.
किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम् किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम्
Nilina.
निलीन निलीन
Nishesha.
निःशेष निःशेष
Padarthamala.
पदार्थमाला पदार्थमाला
Sanksheparupam.
संक्षेपरूपम् संक्षेपरूपम्
Mukulayamanam.
मुकुलायमानम् मुकुलायमानम्
Tatastvadiyadaye.
ततस्त्वदीयादये ततस्त्वदीयादये
Nabhirandrat.
नाभिरन्ध्रात् नाभिरन्ध्रात्
Udanchitam kinchana.
उदञ्चितं किञ्चन उदञ्चितं किञ्चन
Divya Padmam.
दिव्यपद्मम् दिव्यपद्मम्
Nilina Nishesha.
निलीन निःशेष निलीन निःशेष
Padarthamala.
पदार्थमाला पदार्थमाला
Sanksheparupam.
संक्षेपरूपम् संक्षेपरूपम्
Mukulayamanam.
मुकुलायमानम् मुकुलायमानम्
Tatastvadiyadayinabhirandrat.
ततस्त्वदीयादयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् ततस्त्वदीयादयिनाभिरन्ध्रात्
Udanchitam kinchana दिव्यपद्मम्
उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम्
निलीननिःशेष
निलीननिःशेष निलीननिःशेष
पदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम्
पदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम् पदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम्
मुकुलायमानम्
मुकुलायमानम् मुकुलायमानम्
निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम् मुकुलायमानम्
निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम् मुकुलायमानम् निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम् मुकुलायमानम् ततस्त्वदीयादयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम् निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपम् मुकुलायमानम्.
Very good. So as you see, this shloka also, the third and fourth lines are together. And Dashakam 8 has 3 more shlokas. So we shall continue. Raghunandananna. Tadetadambhoruha
तदेतदम्भोरुह तदेतदम्भोरुह
Udmalante
कुड्मलन्ते कुड्मलन्ते
Kalevarat
कलेवरात् कलेवरात्
Toyapathe Prarudham
तोयपथे प्ररूढम् तोयपथे प्ररूढम्
Bahirniritam
बहिर्निरीतम् बहिर्निरीतम्
Paritaspuradbhihi
परितस्फुरद्भिः परितस्फुरद्भिः
Swadhamabhihi
स्वधामभिः स्वधामभिः
Svantamalam
ध्वान्तमलम् ध्वान्तमलम्
Nyakrintat
न्यकृन्तत् न्यकृन्तत्
Tadetadambhoruha
तदेतदम्भोरुह तदेतदम्भोरुह
Udmalante
कुड्मलन्ते कुड्मलन्ते
Kalevarat
कलेवरात् कलेवरात्
Toyapathe Prarudham
तोयपथे प्ररूढम् तोयपथे प्ररूढम्
Bahirniritam
बहिर्निरीतम् बहिर्निरीतम्
Paritaspuradbhihi
परितस्फुरद्भिः परितस्फुरद्भिः
Swadhamabhihi
स्वधामभिः स्वधामभिः
Dvantamalanyakrintat
ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत् ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत्
तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलन्ते
तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलन्ते तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलन्ते
Kale, this Kalevarat, so there is, we can also tell it as Va or Ba. We will keep it as Bakara. I will change it here because the SN Shastri book is Bakara, which is what we are following. So I will keep it as Bakara only, which is Ba. I hope you can see that line in between. So both are acceptable. So some books will have Va, the other books will have Ba. We will keep it as Ba. Kalevara meaning body. So the Kalebarato prarudham.
कलेबरात्तोयपथे प्ररूढम् कलेबरात्तोयपथे प्ररूढम्
Bahirniritam paritaspuradbhihi.
बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः
Swadhamabhirdhvantamalanyakrintat.
स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत् स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत् तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलन्ते कलेबरात्तोयपथे प्ररूढम् बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलन्यकृन्तत्.
Very good. We'll go on to shloka number 12. Ramya, repeat. Sambhullapatre.
सम्फुल्लपत्रे सम्फुल्लपत्रे
Nitaram vichitre.
नितरां विचित्रे नितरां विचित्रे
Tasmin
तस्मिन् तस्मिन्
bhavadviryadhrite.
भवद्वीर्यधृते भवद्वीर्यधृते
Saroje.
सरोजे सरोजे
Sapadmajanma.
सपद्मजन्मा सपद्मजन्मा
Vidhira virasit.
विधिरा विरासीत् विधिरा विरासीत्
Swayam prabuddha.
स्वयं प्रबुद्ध स्वयं प्रबुद्ध
अखिल वेदराशिः.
अखिल वेदराशिः अखिल वेदराशिः
सम्फुल्लपत्रे.
सम्फुल्लपत्रे सम्फुल्लपत्रे
नितरां विचित्रे.
नितरां विचित्रे नितरां विचित्रे
तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते.
तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते
सरोजे.
सरोजे सरोजे
सपद्मजन्मा.
सपद्मजन्मा सपद्मजन्मा
विधिरा विरासीत्.
विधिरा विरासीत् विधिरा विरासीत्
स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिल.
स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिल स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिल
वेदराशिः.
वेदराशिः वेदराशिः
सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे
सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे
तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे
तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे
सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत्
सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत्
स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः
स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः.
Very good. We want to shloka number 13. Last shloka of Dashakam 8. So this shloka is, I think, very well known to a lot of people because it is used as a mantra for any kind of vyadhi and to drive away any kind of roga or vyadhi or any difficulties that are there. This shloka, a lot of people, the elders tell us to do japa. Arjun, repeat after me. Shloka number 13. अस्मिन् परात्मन्
अस्मिन् परात्मन्
ननु पात्मकल्पे
ननु पाद्मकल्पे
त्वमित्थम्
त्वमित्थम्
उत्थापित
उत्थापित
पद्मयोनिः
पद्मयोनिः
अनन्तभूमा
अनन्तभूमा
मम रोगराशिम्
निरुन्धी वातालयवास
विष्णो अस्मिन् परात्मन् ननु पाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापित
पद्मयोनिः
अनन्तभूमा मम रोगराशिम् निरुन्धि
वातालयवास विष्णो
अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननु पाद्मकल्पे
nanu padmakalpe
Tvamitthamuthapita padmayonihi.
tvamitthamuthapita padmayoni tvamitthamuthapita padmayoni
Yonihi, the visarga. Yonihi, repeat the line.
tvamitthamuthapita padmayonihi tvamitthamuthapita padmayonihi
Ananta bhuma mamarogarashim.
अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिम् अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिम्
Nirundhivatalaya Viष्णो.
निरुन्धिवातालयवासविष्णो निरुन्धिवातालयवासविष्णो
Full sloka.
अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननुपाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिम् निरुन्धिवातालयवासविष्णो.
Very good. So the second line here, it's a nice practice for repeating the Mahapranas. So Ittha Muthapita. So the Twa in the beginning is not Mahaprana, but there are two. Tvamittha Muthapita Padmayoni. So it's all these are Parasa in the Kavya, which is very well rendered here. Arjun, repeat the last after me. Iti Shriman Narayaniye.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
Pradyavarnanam Nama.
प्रलयवर्णनं नाम
Ashtamam Dashakam Samaptam.
अष्टमं दशकं समाप्तम्
Iti Shriman Tell.
नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
So yeah, last week I told you a couple of mistakes which people are making in the last shloka of second dashakam and fifth dashakam. So there in the second dashakam it is Atamre Charane Vinamra Mathatam. Sorry, not Atamre. It was Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalan Nyacharya Niryan Malaha. So there instead of Acharya, many people are telling Ascharya. So you think the word is Ascharya because you have heard the word Ascharya many times. But in the print, everywhere it is Acharya only. Acharya means something that is a different meaning. So do not miss the word or then assume your own letters there. Ascharya is a well-known word. So people are putting the word Ascharya while reading it. It happens when you are reading something new. That's how the brain works. But be there. So that is Acharya Niryan Malaha, not Ascharya. Many people in the memorization test, that is the mistake they made. I forgot to tell what was the mistake they made. So instead of Acharya, they said Ascharya. Similarly, in the last shloka of fifth dashakam, we had Andantat Khalu Purva Srishta Salide Atishtat Sahasram Samaha Nirbhindanna Krithaha. So instead of Akrithaha, there many people said Kathaha. So there Akrithaha is the word which is a verb. So not getting into the grammar. In people, when they saw that, they thought it was Katha. And then instead of Krithaha, many people decided it as Kathaha. So that is where when you be very conscious about what you are telling. In all the print, it is correct. But when we read, we think of some word, and then because we are familiar with the word Katha instead of Krithaha, it becomes it just gets changed. It is. So that's what happens in the beginning. So just be conscious of what is happening. That's all. So now I will repeat the whole of Dashakam 8. Before that, there are a couple of questions which I need to take, I think. So some people are asking this Iti Shriman Narayaniye. So where where do you get it from? It is not there in all the books. This Iti Sriman Narayaniya Pralaya Varnama. So, and also this name of the Dashakam is not exactly same in the books which it is printed. So if you see in SN Shastri, in the end it will not be there. In the beginning of the Dashakam, he would have given the title will be there. So from there I usually take it. So it is not consistent through all the Pathams, and during Parayana also when you are doing the whole Narayaniam Parayana, we do not recite this for each Dashakam. We only say Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste and go on to the next Dashakam. But it just gives, like in Bhagavad Gita, we tell in the end, we say it is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, so overhead. So similarly, this is there, but it is not exactly same. It is good to know what is there in the Dashakam. This helps, that's all. So if it is not there in any book, you can write it down from here, from the slide, or from the script that I have posted on the website. So the other question was, where do you find the separate Dashakam? So this separate Dashakam of each, the recording that I am going to chant now, that is available on YouTube. So if you go on to the Vyoma Samskrita channel, separately, whenever I have recited those parts, the volunteers have helped us take out, cut only those parts, and it has been posted to separate videos. And the whole thing is there as a playlist. So you can continuously play it. You just put one Dashakam 1, then till Dashakam N, it will keep on going. So do not worry about that. I will take the few questions later. I will finish reciting the 8th Dashakam. Then we will have some student recitation, and then I will take some more questions as usual from the participants. Orally itself, I will take the questions instead of looking there. I will take the questions orally. Now I will recite the whole of 8th Dashakam. Atha Ashtamam Dashakam Evam tat prakrita prakshayante Brahme kalpe hyadime labdha janma Brahma bhuyastvatta evapya vedan Srishtin chakre purva kalpo vamanam Soyan chaturyuga sahasramitanyahani Tavanmitascha rajanir bahusho ninaya Nidratya sautvayi niliya samam svasrishtaihi Naimittika pralayamahuratosya ratrim Asmadrisham punarahar mukhakritya tulyam Srishtin karotyanudinam sabhavat prasadat Pragbrahma kalpa janushancha parayushanto Supta prabodhana samasti tadapi srishtihi Panchashadabdamadhuna svavayordharupam Ekam parardhamativrtya hi vartate so Tatrantya ratri janitan kathayami bhuman Paschad dinaavatarane cha bhavad vilasan Dinavasane tha sarojayonihi Sushupti kamastvayi sannililye Jaganti chatvajjatharam samiyuhu Tadedame karnavamasa vishvam Tavaiva veshe phanirajisheshe Jalaikasheshe bhuvane smasheshe Ananda sandraanubhavasvarupaha Svayoga nidra parimudritatma Kalakshya shaktim pralayavasane Prabodhayetyadishata kilado Tvaya prasuptam parisupta shakti brajena tatrakhila jivadhamna Chaturyuganancha sahasramevam Tvayi prasupte punaradvitiye Kalakshya shakti prathama prabuddha Prabodhayatvam kila vishvanatha Vibudhya chatvan jalagarbhashayin विलोक्य लोकान् अखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तस्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददाथ दृष्टिम् ततस्त्वदीयादयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मम् निलीन निःशेष पदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपं मुकुलायमानम् तदेतदम्भोरुह कुट्मलन्ते कलेबरात्तोयपथे प्ररूढम् बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्ध्वन्तमलन्यकृन्तत् सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननुपात्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमा मम रोगराशिं निरुन्धि वातालयवास विष्णो इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रलयवर्णनं नाम अष्टमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Today I have finished the Dashakam recitation also within 9 o'clock, so that is good. So some questions that the panelists have, the organizers have given to me, some important questions that people have asked. I'll just answer those and then we'll have a recitation by the students. So there are some person has asked before this Asmin Paratman, which I said relieves all ailments. There was one more I said in Dashakam 2 also. So during my discourse, I had said the second shloka in first Dashakam is also Evan Durlabhyavastamyapi, where he says Vishwa Pidapahati. So actually, every last shloka in every Dashakam, Bhattatri asks Guru Vairappa to remove all his ailments. But traditionally, the elders have said, and they have used this particular shloka in the 8th Dashakam, the last shloka, as almost like a mantra for japa. So you read it maybe 108 times, 1008 times, over some period of days, 10,000 times or whatever, and then any roga, you can get rid of it. So in that way, it has traditionally come down that that is a very powerful shloka. So in every Dashakam, the last shloka asks for eradication of all ailments. So in each shloka, he does that. But here it is the Bhuma, the all-pervading Lord has been asked, because here it is Pralaya Varna and everything. So that is why it is only traditionally we know that this shloka is like a mantra. That is the point there. So the person has asked, why is there are so many different chandas, so many different meters? So one is, if you have the same meter, the same chandas all through, it is monotonous. So for example, Vishnu Sahasranama and Lalita Sahasranama are all in Anushtup meter, which is a very simple one. Similarly, Bhagavad Gita, it is mainly in Anushtup. Here and there are things in Upayantra Vajra and Indra Vajra and so on. Here in Narayaniyam, it is not only a kavya for talking about the Lord. The bigger meters are used so that more can be said in one single verse. Anushtup is very small. So when you use meters like Sraddhara and Shardula Vikriditam, you have 19 or 21 letters per quarter. So that makes 84 letters per verse, which you can tell a lot more things. And you can also bring out a lot of emotions and the exact feeling. For example, the way the 55th Dashakam of Kaliya Mardanam is in a particular where it is almost like he is dancing. Similarly, with Rasa Krida Varnam, where he is dancing. And there are many dashakas like that. So the way he brings about words, it's all poetic beauty. When you use multiple meters, it is his greatness that he has his hold over the Vyakarana, the grammatical points, the chandas, and everything. So he's showing his the vidvatta that he has, learning, and it is all an arpana to the Lord. It is all prostration to the Lord. That is why there are so many different chandas. Each one gives us the mood of that particular. So in some sad part, it will be very sad, and it is beautiful. The whole, it has been so well done. So he is a great Mahatma, Bhattatri, Sriman Narayana Bhattatri, and that is so. And there is no question as to why he has used. It's beautiful he has used. That's all. We get to learn so many different things. Anyway, so now we will. So I will put all the hands down. Those who want to recite, first we will have some recitation. Then, if any more questions are there, we will take questions. So first, recitation. I am going to put down all the hands. I put down all the hands. Now you can raise your hands to recite. To recite. And those who have previously recited, please do not raise your hands, because a lot of people are asking me. I am not getting a chance to recite. So if you have previously recited, do not raise your hands. Please put your hands down so that I can give chance to people who have not recited. Thank you. Mohana Sundararajan, and then I will call Sudha Krishnamurti. So we will start from Shloka 6 in Dashakam 7. Mohana Sundararajan, Ramana. Next I will call Sudha Krishnamurti. Mohana Sundararajan. Okay, she is not. Okay, Sudha Krishnamurti. Sudha Krishnamurti or Mohana Sundararajan. Both of you are, I have unmuted you both. Okay, we'll move on to Saumya Madhu. Saumya Madhu. Are you not able to unmute yourself, or what is happening? Saumya Madhu, yes. Ram.
नाना दिव्यवधू जनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लता तुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक कुतुकालक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्य विभवं तत्ते पदं देहि मे.
Very good. So all the pronunciation and everything is right. We just need practice reading. So that is good.
Okay.
As you read it,
Okay.
all the
Thank
pronunciation, the Mahapranas are good.
Ram.
Right. Shripada Satya Bhaskar. Next I will call Kalavati. Shripada Satya Bhaskar. Or Shripada. Sorry, I don't know. Shripada.
Hari Om Mahodaya.
Hari Om. Shloka number 7.
Tatraivam Pratipardhite Tatraivam Pratidharsite Nijapade Ratnasanadhyasitam Bhasvatkotila Satkirita Katakadya Kalpadi Prakriti Srivatsangitamatta Kaustubhamanichhaya Runankaranam Visveshantavadupamikshata Vidhistatte Vibho Bhatu Me.
Very good. Very recited. You are two people there reciting. Two of you together are reciting.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Both of you were.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the Mahapranas and Samyuktakshas were good. Next. Kalavati. Next I will call Venkateshwaran Gopala. Kalavati. So the next name I tell, please keep yourself unmuted so that as soon as I unmute, you can recite. Yes. Next is Venkateshwaran.
कालाम्बोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रं दिशाम् आरुह्वानमुदारमन्दादिद अन्त्यप्रसन्नाननम् राजकम्बुगदारि पङ्कजदल श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् सृष्टिदृष्टिकरं बहुस्तविवो मत्रोगमुद्वासयेत्.
Correct. It has come out correctly. A little slower in some parts. All the pronunciation is correct. Very good. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Venkateshwaran Gopala. And next I will call the
Hello. Namaskaram, sir.
Samiksha. Samiksha SP next. Venkateshwaran Solomon.
दृष्ट्वा संवृत संभ्रमः कमलभूस्त्वात् पादपादोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं वदो निपतितः प्रीत्या कृतार्थीभवन् जानास्त्येव मनीषितं मम विभो ज्ञानं तदा पादय द्वैत भवत्स्वरूप परमित्याचष्टं तं त्वां भजे.
Very good. Well recited. Here it is Dvaita Dvaita. Dirgha. Dvaita Dvaita. Similarly, in the first line, since it is a long word, Kamala Bhustvatpada Pathoruhe. So there you lost some breath, but slowly you can say Kamala Bhustvatpada Pathoruhe.
Kamala Bhustvatpada
very good. That's all. Well, good. Nice. Next, Samiksha SP.
Ram Mohodaya.
Ram. Yes. 10th shloka.
Atra me charane vinam ramatha tam haste na haste sprishan bodhaste bhavat bhavita na sarga vidhibhir bandhopi sanjayate ityabhashya giram pratosya nitaram tacchitta gudham स्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैर यस्य भगवन्नुल्लासयोल्लाघतं लाघताम्.
Very good. I know you can pronounce very well, that I understood, but you have not practiced reading through this because it has just happened in the last class. So, okay, practice. I can understand that you can pronounce the Mahapranas and the Samyuktas very well. Good.
Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Ram.
Next is Shiva Kanti. Then we will go to Geeta Pattabhiraman. Shiva Kanti.
Ram Mahodaya. Namaskar. Evan tavat prakrita prakshayante brahme kalpe hyadi me labda janma brahma bhuyastvatta evapya vedan srishtim chakre purva kalpopamanam.
Good recitation. So when you say Brahma, twice it comes in this shloka. The Hakara should come. It should come from your almost from the Nabhi, from inside the stomach. Brahme kalpe. Tell only that part. Brahme kalpe.
Brahme kalpe.
Don't stress on banda. That you said Brahme.
Brahme kalpe.
Correct. So if you see the print, a lot of people would have had this doubt. I have explained it before also. The ha, if you see in English also, if you will get to know that Hakara is half and Makara is full. But only for these kind of special cases, we tell the Ma first as half and then Hakara later. So Brahm He, it is Brahm He, and same with Brahm Ha, Brahma Bhuyaha.
Brahm He.
Correct. So similarly, otherwise good chanting. Good.
Thank you. Ram.
Next, Geeta Pattabhiraman. After that, I will call Ajay Drishit. Geeta Pattabhiraman. After that, Ajay Drishit. Geeta Pattabhiraman. Geeta Pattabhiraman or Ajay Drishit. Ajay Drishit.
राम राम राम
Ram. Second shloka.
सोऽयं चतुर्युगसहस्रमितान्यहानि तावन्विताश्च रजनीर्बहुशो निनाय निद्रात्र्यसौ त्वयि निलीय समं स्वसृष्ट्यै नैमित्तिकप्रलयमाहुरतोऽस्य रात्रिम्.
Everything was good. Swasrishtaihi, stop here. Swasrishtaihi, tell.
निद्रात्र्यसौ त्वयि निलीय समं स्वसृष्ट्यै.
Swasrishtaihi. That akara you
स्वसृष्ट्यै. Okay.
Swasrishtaihi.
स्वसृष्ट्यै नैमित्तिकप्रलयमाहुरतोऽस्य रात्रिम्.
Leave the breath out. So that it feels you have to take one extra matra to tell that visarga. Swasrishtaihi. In all the places where visarga comes, that has to be done.
धन्यवाद.
Ram, sorry, I have muted the thing.
That's what. Now you can tell the third shloka, Geeta Pattabhiraman. Third shloka.
अस्मात् त्रिषां पुनरहर्मुखकृत्य तुल्यां सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं स भवत् प्रसादात् प्राक् ब्रह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुब्धप्रबोधनसमाप्ति तदा विसृष्टिः.
Very good. Well recited. Here it is not Brahma, it is Brahma in the third line. Brahma. It is Brahma. We know the word Brahma, so you should not think it is Brahma. It is Brahma.
In the book it is as Brahma.
Oh, please correct it. When you look at the spelling, if there's any
Brahma kalpa janusham cha parayusham tu subda prabodhana samasti tada visrishtihi.
Next, Akash Bhumaravalli. After that, I will call Aarti. Akash.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Panchashadabda madhuna swayavashtarupam ekam parartham ativritya hivartadasau tatrarthya ratri janitam katayami bhuman paschadina navatarane cha bhavad vilasan.
Good. Only the first line. Tell Swavayordha Rupam.
Swavayordha Rupam.
Good. So you're getting it. Slowly, if you tell, you will get it. Good recitation.
Dhanyavad Mahodaya.
Aarti.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
दीनावासानेत सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलीये जगन्ति च त्वच्चरं समीयुः त्वज्जठरं समीयुः जगन्ति च त्वज्जठरं समीयुः ततेतमेकार्णवमास विश्वम्.
Very good, very good. The first line, it is not Dinavasane, it is Dina. Dinavasane.
Okay. Dinavasane ta sarojayonihi.
Next, we will just 5 more people. We will do with the 5 shlokas in Dashakam 7 only, because a lot of people want to say it and a lot of people raise their hands. Hopefully, I give as many people. Who are we done now? Okay, and we will go to Bhushini PV. Bhushini PV, then Bhuvaneshwari A. Bhushini PV, or Bhuvaneshwari A. One of you, please unmute.
तवैवेशे फणिरादिशेषे जलैकशेषे भुवनस्मशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवस्वरूपः स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा.
Well recited. Well recited. Anyway, that is today's shloka. We will come back to shloka 6 of Dashakam 7. Well recited. That good recitation.
Thank you.
Bhushini PV, Ram, Bhushini PV. You can recite shloka number 6 of Dashakam 7, the one on the screen, Nana Aditya.
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लता तुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुकात् लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवं तत्ते padam dehi me.
Very good, wonderfully recited. Here, you don't have to stop as Kutukat Lakshmi. It is Kutukal Lakshmi. Double L, double La it is.
In my book, Kutukat is there. So
then you split it when you do Santhi separation, it is Kutukat. But since it is in the middle of the line, you usually we join the Santhi. So, Kutukal Lakshmi.
Okay, Mahodaya. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Next, Flower Valley. After that, I'll call Jayalakshmi Ganesha. Flower Valley.
Namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
Tatraibam pratidarshide nijabate ratnasanadhyasitam bhasvat koti lasat kirita kadakatya kalpadi prakriti srivasangidamata kaustubhamanischayarunam karanam Dhesham tava rupamaikshada vidhistatte vibho bhatu me.
Fourth line, first word, repeat. First word, fourth line.
Vishvesham tava rupa.
I heard you tell something. Good, good.
Vishvesham tava rupamaikshada vidhistatte vibho bhatu me.
Well played. Good.
Dhanyavad.
Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. Then I'll call Kalpana Rajagopal. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. कालाम्भोधकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रं दिशाम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितस्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्.
Very good. All of you are getting better as it goes. Everybody is getting how to pronounce and everything. It's getting better and better. Very good.
Thank you, Ramda.
Kalpana Rajagopal. Next, I call Malati Ramamurthy. Kalpana Rajagopal.
Namaskaram. Can you hear me,
yes.
sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. दृष्ट्वा संभृत संभ्रमः कमलभूस्त्वत्पादपाथोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं बदो निपतितः प्रीत्या कृतार्थी भवन् जानास्येव मनीषितं मम विभो ज्ञानं तदा पादय द्वैताद्वैत भवत्स्वरूप परमित्याचष्टतं त्वां भजे.
Fantastic. Very good. Well recited.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Malati Ramamurthy. Malati Ramamurthy.
Mute பண்ணுங்க.
Ram.
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 आताम्रे चरणे विनम्रमतसं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिर्बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रतोष्य नितरां तच्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयस्य भगवन्नुल्लासयोल्लाधता.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So we will stop there with the recitation. Again, I have, I think, even more about 50-60 people more raising their hands. We will see next class again. Hopefully that also ends sooner. If at all, I will put all the hands down. If at all there are a couple of questions, I will take them. Only questions. If you have questions for 5 minutes, we will take some questions. And Ambiyur Giri.
Recite the sloka, that's all.
Oh, you want to? Okay, you recite the 10th sloka.
आताम्ने चरणे विनम्रमततं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिर्बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रदोष्य नितरां तच्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदरय्यस्य भगवन्नुल्लासयोल्लाकथाम्.
So in some places consciously you have to tell the Mahapranas. Otherwise okay. It is good. So only the Mahaprana concentration. Ram. Correct. So any questions now I will take. So Sudha Krishnamurthy, questions. Next Jyoti Shanainari. Sudha Krishnamurthy. Ram. Yes. You unmuted yourself, then you muted again. You have to unmute yourself. Sudha Krishnamurthy. Now you are unmuted. You can talk. Ram.
I don't have any question.
I can't hear you. It's getting very cut. It's okay. We will see next time. Jyoti Shanai. Jyoti Shanai. You are self-muted. Ram. You are unmuted now, but I can't hear you. Jyoti Shanai. Bhuvaneshwari A.
கோச்சிங் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ராம். உங்களோட இந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கு. எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து படிக்கிறதுக்கு கேட்கறதுக்கு. அண்ட் இவ யூடியூப் சேனல் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வெரி மச் யூஸ்ஃபுல். டெய்லி அதை போட்டு கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம், ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு அதை சொல்றதுக்கு தான். ரொம்பவே
Maragatam. Then I'll call Swati Krishna. இல்ல ஸ்லோகம் அடுத்த வாரம் பார்க்கலாம். ஏதாவது கேள்வி இருக்குதா?
இல்லைங்க சார், டவுட் இல்லைங்க சார். நீங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க சார். ரொம்ப அருமையா புரியுதுங்க சார். நல்லா படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம் சார். தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே, வெரி குட். அடுத்த வாரம் சான்ஸ் கொடுங்க. இது ஸ்லோகம் சொல்றதுக்கு அடுத்த வாரம்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Jyoti Shana, you're still unmuted, but I'm not able to hear you. Anyway, we'll go to Swati Krishna. Ram.
Ram sir, namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Sir, in the 6th dashakamla vandu last vandu it is different from what was on the when you taught, sir. Is it possible to just இது எப்படி
Oh, the Srimad Narayaniya part, is it?
ஆமா sir.
It is there are a little more, a couple of additions that I did in the script.
Yes.
That is okay. I think you can read it. It's not very important, but I think you can read it. Probably next class, it is not on this slide currently that I have. Probably next class, I will just read it once.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. One more thing is, actually, I already asked this. 7th dashakam, 2nd shloka. Soyam Chaturyuga Sahasra. Adla last line, sir.
That is 8th dashakam, no?
I'm sorry. I just read it wrong. Yeah, 7th and 2nd. Soyam Vishwa Visarga. Adla last line la. இப்போ இந்த குர்வன் ஸ்தப பிரேரணாம்னு இருக்கு. அதுல வந்து குர்வம் சகாரம் வந்தா குர்வம் தானே சொல்லணும் இல்லையா?
இல்ல அது வந்து வார்த்தையே, it is not anuswar. That there is no anuswara there. It is the word itself is kurvan tapah preranam. So the word is kurvan, not kurvam. So that is kurvan tapah.
But the anuswaram should be
before. If like here in this shloka you see on the one on the screen, it is samam swasrishtaihi.
Okay.
So it will remain samam swasrishtaihi. But in that place, that it is kurvan is the word. Nakara halanta is the word that the previous word, not the anuswara. So it is kurvan tapah preranam.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. The class is amazing. I can't say that enough. Thank you. So blessed. Ram.
Ram. Surya Narayanan Mondukuru. Then I call Jyoti Shanai again.
Namaskaram, sir. Namaskaram. கேக்குறதா?
கேக்குறது சொல்லுங்க.
ஸ்லைடு மாத்தணும் சார். எனக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் தானே படிக்கிறேன். இதுவா?
இல்ல இப்ப ஸ்லோகம் இல்ல. ஏதாவது கேள்வி இருந்தா கேட்கறதுக்காக நான் இது பண்ணேன். ஸ்லோகம் அடுத்த வாரம் வச்சுக்கலாம்.
ரிசைட் பண்றதுக்காக தான் கை தூக்கினேன்.
சரி, அது ரிசைட் அடுத்த வாரம் பார்க்கலாம். இப்ப நிறைய பேர் ரிசைட் பட்டா இன்னைக்கு, அடுத்த வாரம் ரிசைட்.
ஓகே. கிளாஸஸ் நிஜமாவே ரொம்ப blessed we are all to hear this, sir. Thank you.
The blessing the vendors எல்லாம் பெரியவாளோட. ராம். Jyoti Shanai, you have logged in again through a different account. Please unmute yourself. Hopefully you are able to get.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Ram. Thank you very much for this class. Last Saturday was my first class. I wanted to, and I'm very much interested in learning Narayanam. I wanted to know the name of the book, which is the best
Oh, okay. Oh, so you are the one who had sent the mail. I was going to reply to tomorrow. Anyway, the book is S.N. Shastri is the standard book that I'm using, which has translation in English word by word and the meaning. So it is a Chinmaya Mission publication, and it is available online on the Chinmaya Mission website.
Okay, S.N. Shastri.
S.N. Shastri is the author who has translated. Yes.
Okay. I'm calling from US, so.
Oh, wonderful.
So I will see whether it is available, and So S.N. Shastri. S.N. Shastri and Narayanam is the name of the book.
Correct. Yes. Or else for current, if you do not get the book, then there is a website, sanskritdocuments.org, where there is Narayanam or Narayanam firststep.org. Both, if you Google, you will get, these are the first two links that you will get for Narayanam PDF. They are good enough for now. But if at all there are some mistakes or some pathabedas, some differences, then I am following this S.N. Shastri.
Okay, S.N. Shastri. Okay. And what is the second website you said? Narayanam? What was that?
Firststep.org. First step.
.org. Okay. I was not sure whether you received my email, so that is why I thought I will ask.
Over the last 2-3 days, I was going to reply to you.
Yeah, I feel blessed to learn from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Namaskaram.
Yeah, Aarti, your question, Aarti, then I call Priya. Aarti.
Yeah, just I just have one thing to say. Previous person said that they want to find a book in Chinmaya Mission US. So there are Chinmaya missions running in US. She might know. So she can check them online and she can call them and request so that they will send the books to courier.
Oh, okay, okay. I think
They
she would
will
have
also
heard
send-
as I think she will hear anyway. I will send her the mail also. So everybody who's
I
in
have
US can listen to this. There are half the people
Yeah.
are from US. So all of you, yeah, Aarti Bhagini is because yes, you can
Thank
call Chinmaya and get the books. Thank you, thank you. Priya N. Then I will call Panchanandam Swaminathan. Priya N.
Yes, namaste.
Namaste.
Can you hear me? Yes, thank you very much for this class. It's truly wonderful. I have a small question regarding the meaning. I know this class is not focused on meaning, and you just mentioned that book, which I can also refer to, but can I ask you one, like it's a word meaning? This is Dashakam 7, the last shloka.
Okay.
Srashtau tam samudairayassa bhagavan. That ayaha, what is that meaning there?
No,
Samudai.
it is not ayaha. It is not samudaihi ayaha. The word is samudairayaha.
Could you repeat, please?
Samudairayaha. So starting this whole part is samudairayaha is one word. So this whole thing is one word.
Right.
Sa Bhagavan. So samudairayaha is something that you bring into existence, like you put it, samudairayaha, it came over. It is here, always the words are very different because in most of the poems, it's either in first person or third person. Yeah, you see other texts are empty. But here, Bhattatri, in everywhere, he's talking to Guru Ayurva. So most of it is in second person, Madhyama Purusha, as we say in Sanskrit. So that is why we find many new forms of the verbs here. They're all there. When we learn Patati, Patata, Patanti, we learn it. But these are all the Madhyama Purusha forms which we hardly come across in other texts, where it is usually either third or first person. That is why we find it new.
So how did you break this once? Could you repeat that, please?
So it is Samudairayaha Sa Bhagavan. So actually it is Sam is one Upasarga plus Ut is the other Upasarga plus Irayaha is the Irayaha is there, but then there is an A in between because it is past tense.
I see. Okay. Okay.
So this becomes Airayaha.
That is the Madhyama Purusha. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Which is past tense Madhyama Purusha. Apataha. Airayaha.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you very much.
Panchanadam Swaminathan, Ramara.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes.
I was going through all the verses of whatever you have taught. The style of Bhattatri is extremely complex. I don't know
if
he is just showing all his Panditya. But I studied Saundarya Lahari when I was young, and I'm trying to compare the style of the word compositions and all. So it's very complex. Plus the way he's changing the meter, even within one dashaka, a different asam. Is it because of he wants to bring in the emotion more effectively, or I'm pretty sure that he has used some reason for changing the meter.
Yes.
Since you are an expert on this one, are you able to give some insight into why he has chosen the way it is?
So, in my opinion, he is a great Pandita. For example, he had read all the Shastras. So, he has written a text called Prakriya Sarvaswam, which is one of the Prakriyas for Vyakarana. It is a separate Prakriya by itself. So, he has written a text on Vyakarana called Prakriya Sarvaswam. Such was his Panditya in Vyakarana. And similarly with Vedanta, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa, and Kavya, as we can see in Narayanian. So when you already have so much knowledge in you and you are in contact with Bhagavan, you want to do, it automatically comes. So if you see, for example, Adi Shankaracharya, when he composes some simple stotras, it is very simple. But at the same time, when he writes his Bhashya on Brahma Sutra or something, it is very terse and very difficult. Similarly, even if you see Bhagavatam, there Sukha Brahma is a jnani, but the verses that come out of him are in Bhagavatam, if you see, they are of the same quality like we have in Narayaniya. So a person who is a jnani, it automatically comes in that manner. The vidya just pours through them. So it falls in place by the grace of Guru Ayappan. It just falls in place like that. So that he has the previous background for it is helpful, and it shows there with the Kripa.
Yeah, it is, because it is some of the words are like you were explaining. Samudaya Rayaha is unless you have the help of somebody, it is very hard for you to figure it out what it is.
Correct. You're right. You're right.
Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Meera R, then I call Mohana Sundararajan. Meera R, yourself muted.
Yes, sir.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. When will we get the results for the competition?
The result. I will give it to you in a couple of weeks. We are thinking how exactly to give the result. Should we give out the marks itself, or simply as first class, second class, or something? So we are thinking of that. Anyway, you will get it soon. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mohana Sundararajan, and then I think
Sir,
that's the last.
Sir, sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me? Yeah, sir, thank you very much, sir. We heard the discourse, sir. We are very happy to hear from you. And another thing, sir, we are really very blessed to learn Narayanam from you, sir. You are teaching us extraordinarily, sir. No words to express our sincere thanks. Another thing I would like to tell you, sir, today I wanted to, you told me first name, but I couldn't chat, sir. I don't know, you can't hear me, but I was chanting here in my house, sir, but you couldn't hear me, sir. With your permission, and the last slogan, சின்னது தானே, அதை மட்டும் with your permission சொல்லிடுறேன், sir. Please, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
अस्मिन् परात्मन् ननुपात्म कल्पे त्वमित्तम् उत्थापित पद्मयोनिः अनन्त भूमा मम रोगराशिं निरन्ति वातालय वास विष्णु. Let all of us pray God. Let all of us pray God together, sir, for the immediate relief. That is, the world should attain peace immediately, sir. We should get relief from this pandemic situation. Thank you very much, sir. No words in the dictionary to express our sincere thanks to our excellent teaching, sir. Really, we all are very blessed. Thank you very much. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, sir. Thank you, Guru Ayappan also. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Ram Ram.
Stay blessed. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That shloka we will end for today. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.